My name is Nigel Linden and I'm the president of Retest. I've been working in the shock, vibration and fatigue field since the late 70s. I've seen a lot of change over the years. When I first got involved, we were doing some finite element work in big computers that would fill a room, but most of the work we did was in physical testing. So we would build prototypes, test them, look for failures, and then build another prototype and so forth. So it was very, very expensive. But back then we were starting to develop a lot of the tools that are being used today. As a consultant, I work for my clients on all levels throughout the development process, from characterizing customer usage, data collection, data analysis, and then of course the modeling, static, dynamic modeling. Well, I researched a lot of different products before buying Abaqus from a lot of different vendors. They all have similar capabilities, but the thing that drew me to Abaqus is the fact that it was built as a nonlinear solver from the ground up. And not only that, it's able to do all of the different things I need to do in one package. As an example, I sell a device to simulate live fire from rifles. I called it a live fire shock simulator. So to design it, I developed a model with implicit and explicit steps. Okay, so now I'm going to animate this, and you can see it in slow motion. So you can see the rail parting away from the top plate, and you get kind of a slapping effect as these two hit together. And then you can also see how the rail is sliding on these bolts because the friction isn't high enough to capture the rail under the high shock. Now, this is exaggerated 100 times. So in reality, it doesn't move this much. And in reality, these actually don't hit. But because we're amplifying everything, we can see what's going on, and we can see where the weak points of the design are. Once I'm happy with the simulation, I can use FE-Safe to ensure the product has a good fatigue life. When the shock occurs, there's a lot of strain cycles that occur, and these strain cycles can cause a lot of damage. FE-Safe will pinpoint the critical locations and help me to identify areas of the design that have weaknesses and may fail early. The SIMULIA software also includes the award-winning Tosca design optimization package, which is particularly useful, especially for additive manufacturing. I think the support that I get from Hawkridge is amazing. If I have any question, I pick up the phone and I'm usually back up and running within minutes. Yeah, it's wonderful. And the people here are very, very knowledgeable. These tools give me the competitive edge. They give me everything I need to help my clients develop products that are safe, reliable, and can be produced inexpensively.